So I'm with Gopesh Mehta, Salisbury Park resident. Gopesh sir, please tell our viewers your views.
This is a very good targeted plantation program in Salisbury Park. First time in Salisbury Park by the forum. All the Pune cities, all the societies, they should take initiative like this and put more trees to reduce the pollution because now the pollution is too much in Pune.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So and the plantation program is very simple. If you have only 2 by 2 feet space anywhere in Pune, you can put at least one plant. It should get sunlight. That is the only requirement.
Sunlight and water.
Yeah.
Sir, please tell our viewers about your views.
See, I am here, staying here for last 55 years. I've seen the green cover in Salisbury Park. It has reduced a lot, but still, we are very lucky to have a green cover here. And to boost that cover, this initiative taken by our committee to plant trees and grow more trees is a good initiative. I feel we have been late in this. We should have been done 5 years ago also.
But it's
Now,
better late than never.
So every year something we'll do, and we'll try to do something like this in other areas also. Help people to get this done. So in Pune, the green cover should increase.
So my question to you is that hundreds upon hundreds of trees have been cut for road widening, for metro work, for other projects, civic issues. Of course, they have a reason that roads need to be widened because the traffic is also increasing. So what are your views about this massive tree cutting that has been taking place over the past few years?
What I think is whatever development is being done has to be planned properly, considering the ecological aspect of it also. So to avoid a tree, the road has to be moved somewhere else. But because of this political nexus they have, the landowners there, I think so those are more culprits, that they want to save their land and what I think.
Absolutely.
So it is that. And it's always the nexus of the politicians, the builders, and all those people which are spoiling this.
So I'm with Abhishek Shinde at this tree plantation drive. Abhishek lives in Mira Society. And Abhishek, please tell our viewers about this tree plantation drive. How do you feel about it?
First of all, thank you, Prince, for giving me this opportunity to introduce. As I have been grown up over here in Salisbury Park, which is very close to nature, as I'm a nature lover, this was a very nice and intellectual thing of planting trees in Salisbury Park back a decade back, when I had seen when I used to come here to play and for walks. It was very scary over here, but now there is no scareness, nothing, because people of Salisbury Park have planted trees over here. This is a very good initiative taken by them, because like today, trees have been chopping down, and government has put a ban on it. Thank you so much for the Salisbury Park residents for doing this such a wonderful job. I think we should often go ahead and plant more trees, as this will save our nature. And I believe everyone who is here is all a nature lover. That's the reason they have come over here.
I'm with Riya Bapna, and the Salisbury Park Residents Forum has organized a tree plantation drive. I believe so far around 80 trees have been planted. They are mainly people, neem and rubber, banyan, and a host of other trees. And this has been done today. So there are plans, and the PMC has also helped a lot. The PMC has actually given them saplings which are about 4 feet high. So Riya, please tell our viewers about this plantation drive. How do you feel about it?
So this one lane, it's one of the favorite lanes for every person who lives in Salisbury, for the walk or just to get up in the morning and feel refreshed. And to add like cherry on the top, now we have 125 trees which have been given by corporation, and then nearly 80 to 90 have been adopted. So it's a great feeling that you walk past here every day, and then you have to take care of that tree, and then
Ahana Jain. Ahana, please tell our viewers about your views regarding tree plantation and tree cutting.
I think this is an amazing initiative taken by all the people. In today's world, the global warming and different climate issues that are being faced, it's very essential for everyone to plant as many trees as possible. because we were given this earth by our ancestors, and now we have spoiled it alone. So it is our duty to make sure that it is in a condition where we can pass it on to the future generations. And one way of doing this is planting trees. I think today more than 100 trees were planted, and this is an excellent initiative. And if more people take this initiative, then we can make take better care of our planet and make it more greener, and it will be way better to pass it on to our future generations. So I think this is essential and very good.